Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete people from your Google contact, and also I'm going to show you how you can delete or recover this deleted contact on your Google contact as well. It's very simple and easy. If you are using a mobile phone to do this, hop on your Play Store and then download Google Contact. You sign in with your Gmail and then you start with the procedure. You follow up. If you are using a PC, to just search Google Contact here, and then this is the URL contact.google.com, something like this. So if you've saved your contact on your Gmail account, you're going to find all of them here. So now let me show you how to delete an account or delete a number here. So let's tap on the three dots here. Now I delete it. I move to my trash. Good. So now I come to my trash here. So these are all deleted contacts here. You can see here. So I can choose to recover it, and I can choose to permanently delete it. So to permanently delete a number, let me select this and this, and you can see I can recover it here and I can delete it permanently. So let me delete these ones permanently here. Good. And then let me recover this. Look at the name Michael, and let me recover it here. Good. So it's done. Now let me come to my contact here, and you can see it here. It's appearing here once again. So this is how you delete a contact, and also how you can recover it, and how you can also delete a contact permanently from your Google contact. It's very simple and easy. If you are using a mobile phone, you can do this as well. If you are using a PC, you follow this. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.